What's going down, everyone? With the summer coming up, sometimes you're going to want to beat the heat at your personal desk. The Vornado Flippi V8 I found at my local Costco for under what Amazon's doing. I'm going to have it linked down below, but if you happen to have a card, it is definitely a cool thing to get before they sell out, because you know how Costco is. So we're going to do the unboxing of this. I'll have everything linked down below too if you'd like to support the channel, and I'll have affiliate links down below. Appreciate it. But let's go ahead and open up the box. My name is Mac here at the MacGyver7 channel, and we're going to be unboxing the V8 Vornado Flippi. Now, upon opening the box, you're going to be greeted with a manual, a whole bunch of recyclables, and some non-recyclables that you'll basically have to throw away, which is styrofoam. Most recycling people hate them, but this thing's pretty cool. I like how it already stores away like this, so it's very easy. I like how the fan pops up, and then there's the signature recirculator point, so it's shooting out and then zooming in real fast. So I think this is pretty cool. I like it a lot. Let's go ahead and pop it on so people can kind of hear, see what it sounds like. Since I'm in my stream lab, this will be the best quality of audio to kind of hear what's up. Fun fact, if you remove that, you should be able to plug it into the wall, but that's not the fun fact. I thought that would be just kind of hilarity. But if your fuse ever goes out, if you can try to plug it in and it just doesn't work, one of the good things you can kind of look at is a fuse inside of here that is developed in order to not damage the plug or the circuitry inside of there. So always check that. It's a little old school, but that's really old school cool, like, because that saves you a lot of headaches in the future. So this is really well built for like the price that I picked this up for. Like, I'm kind of like jaw drop. This is pretty cool. So if it keeps me cool during the summer, even cooler. So this is with it kind of having the mic kind of directly on there, but I'm gonna turn it off real fast. I feel like this is the best representation of it. It faced towards me, and like, damn, that feels really good. Now you're gonna be greeted with two different settings down below, and it's like a really cool kind of like clicking V action. Now on the back, there's gonna be another switch that is for your little, if you wanted to like turn and like circulate everything, which is pretty cool. But it's not too shabby for the price that I paid. I think that this moves it really quiet. And it's almost just quiet enough where my filters on my stream thing don't even pick it up. So I mean, that means the decibel level's pretty good, but it's just enough, loud enough where you can kind of hear it in there. So not stream friendly. Maybe if you like plug it over into the far situation, maybe you can kind of aim it towards you as a streamer. I think that would be kind of good, but definitely not something you can keep on your desk. But for someone that's just trying to get stuff on your desk and keep cool and work during staycation 2020, yeah, this is definitely going to fit the meal ticket. So thank you very much for joining me in this unboxing. I appreciate everyone. Like, share, and subscribe if you're new to the network. Who knows, maybe, just maybe, Vornado will reach out to me and give me their super duper freaking V20,000. That'd be cool. That doesn't exist, but that'd be cool if it did. You'll just have to subscribe to find out. But I'll see you guys and gals in the near future. Stay classy, and I'll see you there.